It's 12:15 again. Good morning. Alright, I promised a neighbor I'd help him with his car today. So we're going to get the Corvette and the Jeep out of the way, and we'll get my car. And we'll get his car right in here. I think I might have sold the Jeep. There's somebody in Salt Lake that said if nothing happens in the next few days, then he wants it. I'm excited about that because that means I can get started on the garage. First thing's going to be getting the power moved, the power line. Might take a while, but it'll be fun. Well, we finished the Venza, and then I was like, you know what? I want to work on the Corvette a little bit. So we did. We got a lot done on it, actually. We got the lights plugged in. We got these covers put on. Oh, I need to tighten those ones over there. The rubber is in. We got the Corvette cover on here. And we took this valve cover off. It was making some valve train noise. Took this valve cover off and tightened some of the rocker arms. No more valve noise. And I resealed that with RTV. So now it's not leaking down there, hopefully, as long as that RTV holds. We got that cover on. What else did we do? Oh, I blew out all the stuff that was in here. It looks like I still have these I need to fix. They're supposed to clip on the bottom of that. Still some stuff to do in the engine bay. Yeah, I need to tighten these up still, so I'll do that real quick. There we go. I got all those tightened down. Sweet. And after the two projects today, the shed is a mess. So that's going to be my project for tonight. It's going to be getting all this stuff put away where it needs to go. Believe it or not, this is only 1.5 days of working on cars. Well, brr, it got cold in the shed. I had the door, it wasn't open, but it was hot in here earlier, so I turned off the heaters, and it got cold quick as soon as that sun went down. We did have the door slightly open a little bit while we were working on the Corvette, just because we kept coming back here, and you know, back there, up here, we kept moving is what I'm saying. So now it's time to work in the shed. First things first, I've got all the tools to pick up, and then I'm going to work on the keys. See how many of these cars we have keys for. Like I said, not the original keys for all of them, but the same style of key for the vehicle that I had. As you've seen, I've got the shed cleaned up most of the way. I am now working on the keys. So we have the list of the vehicles, and we have some keys. So I'm not going to go in any particular order. This one is the Chevy Cavalier. That's right here. I don't want to bore you guys with it. That's a Buick LeSabre. That's an 84 Ford, Cadillac, Suburban, Expedition, 4Runner, 71 pickup, Nissan, 99 F250, another Nissan, Cadillac, the Corvette. As many of these keychains as I can get, I'm going to try and get. Like this one's got a Chevy on it. For a Chevy, this one's got the Corvette. And then, what is this one? E350. And then this one's a 90 F-150. Oh, 92 Ranger. I forgot about that one. The Tundra key and the 2007 F-150 key. So I have quite the list of keys that I need to get still. So I really don't have that many I need to get. 17 more keys. 17 out of 40 is not bad. once I get all these keys, I'm either going to buy or make a display case. That way, I don't know, it's just kind of like a, and then maybe, like if I have the room, maybe I'll do like a picture of the vehicle next to the key of the vehicle. That's going to be a fun project for when I get time to work on that. Now, what to do for the rest of the night? I think I'm just going to play around in the shed a little more. I'll do some organizing in some of the drawers that I need to organize. And I want to thank you guys for watching. Thanks for liking the videos. Thanks for subscribing. And I'll see you tomorrow.